students, on your screen one red dot is there, recording. So whatever message you are typing in the chat, it is recorded. Okay, so I hope everyone should be in a very disciplined order. आपको खुद को बहुत डिसिप्लिन ऑर्डर में रहना है. Don't give so many emojis. Only whenever question is asked to you, okay, only that answer should be there. ठीक है, जब भी आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप वो चैट बॉक्स में पूछो, या फिर आपको आंसर देना है तो ही चैट बॉक्स का आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. दैट टाइम ओनली यू आर यूजिंग द चैट बॉक्स. Remaining all the time you are not typing anything. You have to sit quietly and you have to pay attention, listen carefully what teacher is telling to you. Okay, because we are attending the lecture to understand something, because we are not going to school. So teacher is coming to your home, correct? Teacher abhi टेक्नोलॉजी से आपके घर पे है. So you have to pay attention. Okay, now, so yesterday we started the bigger number and smaller number, and we use this signs. Okay, smaller than and bigger than. I hope everyone know. Okay, now, so I'm going to share the screen and we are going to solve the problem set 6. I hope I'm visible to people. Okay, so here we are starting the problem set 6. Everyone is able to see? Okay, so first number is, can we change the color? Yes, we'll select the red color, because on blue it is not highlighted. So problems, example 1. Okay, from the problem set 6. Question number 1, write the proper symbol greater than and smaller than in the box. We have to use the symbol greater than and smaller than. Now, what is the difference between these two symbols? Okay, if the number is bigger, we are giving two sides to that number, and if number is smaller, we are giving one side. Okay, अगर नंबर बड़ा है तो उसे 2 पॉइंट जाएंगे. ओके, एंड नंबर छोटा है तो उसे वन सिंगल वाला जाएगा, बड़े को बड़ा, छोटे को छोटा. ओके, सो हियर द फर्स्ट example is 5705, and the second number is 15705. Now here, which number is bigger? The first number is 4-digit number and second number is a 5-digit number. So 4-digit number is bigger or 5-digit number is bigger? Obviously 5-digit number is bigger, means these two side will come to 15,000 15,705. 15,705. Okay. Now, second example. 22 lakhs. 22 lakh 74,705. 22 lakh 74,705. Okay. And the next number is 12 lakhs 74,705. 12 lakhs 74,705. Now both the numbers are 7-digit number. ये दोनों नंबर क्या है? 7-digit number. So how will understand which number is bigger? So we'll see the lakh place. Here 22 is there and here 12 is there. Okay, here 22 is there and here 12 is there. So which number is bigger? 12 or 22? Obviously 22. So this sign will come towards the 22. 22 बड़ा है तो उसे दो साइड जाएंगे ये वाले, और 12 is small so one side will go. Okay. Now, third example. 35 lakh 33,302. 35 lakh 33,302. And the next number is 35 lakh 32,302. Okay. अब दोनों number again 7-digit. So how will understand? Here lakh plus 35, here also 35, here 33, here 32, and the last digit is again same 302, and here also 302. So what will do? What will do? अगर 35 सेम है, पीछे का 302 सेम है, दोनों का. So we'll see the 1000 place number. We'll check the middle number, 1000 place number. One side 33 is there and one side 32 is there. So what will do? Which number is bigger? ये दोनों में से बिगर नंबर कौन सा है? One second. Okay. One second. Okay, huh? So which number is bigger? 35, same. 302 backside, same. 33,000 is there and one side 32,000 is there. We are seeing the problem number 3. Okay. So which number is bigger? Obviously 33 is bigger. So which number is bigger here? 35 lakhs 33,302. 35,000 lakhs 33,302. Okay. Now I am giving you one example. These 3 sums you are doing as a homework. Now I am giving you as a homework. Okay. Now what you will do? You will tell me. You will tell me one example. And now your example is here. So this is your number. So tell me, which number is bigger? First basic step, my dear students, first basic step, Some students are giving wrong answer, some students are giving right answer. But to compare the numbers, the first basic step is what? To count the places. Here 5 places are there. Here 5-digit number is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Here 5 places are there. Stop typing. Once stop typing. Stop typing, because if your answers are here 5-digit number is there and here 6-digit number is there. Now tell me, 5-digit number is more bigger or 6-digit number is bigger? Obviously 6-digit number is bigger. So what will the answer is? 3,11,111. This number is bigger than 26,752. ये 26,752 small है and 3,11,111. This number is bigger. So which sign will come? This sign will come. ये sign आएगा. Because this number is bigger और बड़े को बड़ा जाता है and small is having one side only. Okay. So this sign will come. Understood? Now next answer. Next question for you people. Now don't type anything. Don't type anything. Okay. Now in these two numbers, please tell me, one number is 3,57,634 and second number is 3,67,631. So which number is bigger? Now both number are 6-digit number. Both number are 6-digit number. तो आपको अभी देखना है number compares करके कि which number is bigger, which figure is bigger. And here so many students are giving the correct answer. I am happy that all are giving the correct answer. Okay. Okay. So here 3 lakhs common, correct? Here 57,000 is there and here 67,000 is there. Here 57,000 is there and here 67,000 is there. So 57 is bigger or 67 is bigger? Obviously 67 is bigger. So this sign will come. Stop typing. This sign will come. This sign will come. Correct? ये sign आएगा. Understood? Now I am happy that you people are understanding what teacher is exactly want to tell you. Thank you very much. So we'll move to the next question. Okay. And the last question of the problem set 6. This. I hope everyone is able to see me. And my screen is visible to you people. So question number 2. Okay. This, solve the problems given below. And we are solving the problems. Okay. Now, first, the Swayam Siddha saving group made 3,45,000 papads, while the Swabhimani group made 2,95,000. Which group made more papads? स्वयं सिद्धा सेविंग ग्रुप ने कितने पापड़ बनाए? they made 3,45,000 papad. And Swabhimani group, how much they made? 2,95,000. Okay, so which group made more papad? So answer is what? Swayam Siddha Saving Group. Swayam Siddha Saving Group made 3,45,000 and Swabhimani Group made 2,95,000. Okay, so which number is bigger, 3 lakhs or 2 lakhs? Obviously 3 lakhs. So which group made the more papad? The Swayam Siddha Saving Group made more papads. Okay, and the sign will like this only. ठीक है, ये साइन आने वाला है. Okay. Array. Now question number 2. I hope everyone understood. Please Madhuri teacher, tell me the students are understanding or not. Give me the thumbs up. Students, if you understood this question and this answer, solution of this question, please give thumbs up in the participants. Teacher, please tell me. Are you able to understand this question? Are you there, Madhuri teacher? Okay, we'll move forward. Okay, now second question. Children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district collected 2 lakh seeds, while those in Pune district collected 3,25,000. Okay, which children collected more seeds? Okay, now one primary school is there, and that in Ahmednagar, that school children collected 2 lakh seeds. अहमदनगर का प्राइमरी स्कूल के जो बच्चों ने 2 लाख सीट्स कलेक्ट किया. ओके, एंड सेम प्राइमरी स्कूल के बच्चे बट इन पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट दे कलेक्टेड 3,25,000. 3,25,000. Okay, so which children collected more seeds? So our solution is children in Ahmednagar district, how much they collected? 2 lakhs. And children in Pune district, how much they collected? 3,25,000. Now tell me, 2 lakhs is bigger or 3,25,000? Okay, so 3,25,000. So here the mistake of the sign in a question, what asked which children collected more seeds? So our sign should be this. Okay, हमारा sign ऐसे आना चाहिए, but by mistakenly the sign is like this. So the sign will be like this. Okay, which children collected more seeds? Children in Pune district collected more seeds. Okay, now this question number 3 and question number 4 is for your self study. Okay, as you know, the government reduced the 25% of your syllabus and it is given for you as a self study. Okay, गवर्नमेंट ने, मुझे लग रहा है आज सब लोग न्यूज देखते होंगे. एवरीवन इज वाचिंग द न्यूज except corona. So many news are there, correct? And I hope you are watching that news. Yes, if pogo dekhte ho? No. So many news are there. Okay, so here our question number 2. Okay. I hope I am visible to you people. So, in a question number 1, the problem number 3 and 4 is for self-study. Okay, these 3 and 4. It is safe. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next lecture. Okay, and we are solving the second question. Write the numbers in their expanded form. Write the numbers in their expanded form. Okay. I hope everyone know the expanded form. Correct? Now, the first one. Here, first one. I hope everyone is able to see. Our first question is, first number is 56,43,215. Now, how you will write the expanded form? Now, if the number is 7-digit number, okay, मैंने आपको उस दिन बताया था प्लेस वैल्यू कैसे लिखते हैं. ओके, प्लेस वैल्यू ही लिखना है हम हर जगह पे. Yesterday only I told you the place value. उसके आगे जितने नंबर्स है we have to put that much zero. Okay. Now, if the first number is 5, on the 10 lakh place 5 is there. So we'll write the 5. And how many numbers after the 5? 6 numbers are there. Okay, 6 digits are there. Sorry, 6 digits are there. After 5, 6 digits are there. So we'll put the 6 zeros. Okay, and the place value of that 5 is 50 lakh. The place value of that 5 is 50 lakh. Then give the plus sign because we are using the second number. We are writing the second number. Now give the plus sign. Okay. तो हमें वो 50 lakhs के बाद क्या देना है? Plus sign. We have to give plus sign after every digit. हाँ, हमें हर एक digit के बाद plus sign देना है. Now 5 is over now 6. So what is the place value of 6? The 6 is on the lakh place. So after 6, 5 numbers are there. Correct? After 6, 5 numbers are there. तो वो 5 number जो है, तो हमें कितने zero देने पड़ेंगे? After 6, we'll write the 6 and we'll put 5 zeros after 6. So the place value of this 6 is 6 lakhs. The place value of this 6 is 6 lakhs. Okay. Now, again give the plus sign because we are writing now 4. Okay. So give the plus sign and then 4. How many numbers? How many digits after 4? 4 digits are there. So we'll give 4 zeros after 4. Okay. So the place value of the 4 is 40,000. The place value of 4 is 40,000. Again plus sign. Then write the 3. The 3 is on the 1,000 place and 3 digits after 3. So we'll give 3 zeros. So place value of this 3 is 3,000. Again plus sign 2. We'll write the 2. How many numbers after 2? How many digits? 2 digits. So we'll put 2 zeros. So place value of this 2 is 200 because 2 is on a 100 place. So place value of 2 is 200. Then again plus sign. Then 1. Okay. How many number after 1? How many digit after 1? Only 1 digit is there. So we'll put 1 0. Okay. We'll put 1 0. Correct. And the last digit is 5. No zeros after 5. So we'll write the 5 as it is.
Teacher, 1 minute. 5 hands are raised. So please ask if they are having any doubt.
1 second. Okay. Ask. 3 hands are raised. And I'm seeing here Pramod Bavaskar, Rudra, and Pranjal. If you have any queries, you can ask me in a chat box first. बच्चों queries है तो chat box में पूछो मुझे. I am waiting here. Give fast. Voice is not coming.
Teacher, I am able to hear.
Means my voice is clear. Rudra is saying, please unmute me, ma'am. It's important. Okay. So Rudra, for a while I am unmuting you. Okay.
Yes, if by mistake you have raised the hand, then lower your hand, students.
Ma'am,
Yes,
actually I
Rudra.
want to tell everyone that we know till unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Right?
Yes.
But you know, ma'am, I have by hearted till the last. Let me tell you. First, it's unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, 1 trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion, 1 quadrillion, 10 quadrillion, 100 quadrillion, 1 quintillion, 10 quintillion, 100 quintillion, 1 sextillion, 10 sextillion, 100 sextillion, 1 septillion, 10 septillion, 100 septillion, 1 octillion, 10 octillion, 100 octillion, and then a Google with 100 zeros and a Googleplex with 1000 zeros.
Okay. So Rudra, very good. You are very smart child, but Rudra, you are now in a 5th standard. So you are having some numbers I am explaining. Let me finish this place value. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We are also having very good that you remember everything. Okay. So please unmute yourself, and I hope you will not talk in a between. Okay. Madhu teacher, please mute. Madhu teacher, please mute Rudra. Okay. So okay, so we are expanded form, right? So I hope this expanded form is clear to you. Now we'll solve the second example. Okay. What is the second example? 70,815. 70,815. So my dear student, first number is 7. So how many zeros after 7? And 7 is on the 10,000 place. So 4 numbers are there, 4 digits are there after 7. So we'll put 4 zeros. Okay. So the place value of this 7 is 70,000. Then the next number, then give the plus sign. Huh? This plus sign is very important in the expanded form. Then give the plus sign, and the next number is 0. Okay. So 0, if 0 is on the 10 lakh place, crore place or unit place, the 0 is having the value 0 only. 0 कहीं पे कौन से भी place पे रहे उसका value 0 ही होता है. So the 0 will write as it is. If we are writing 4 zeros, 3 zeros, the value is same, 0 only. So we'll write only one time 0. Then give the plus sign. Okay. Then next digit is what? 8. Okay. So after 8 is 2 zeros are there. Okay. So the place value of this 8 is 800. Then again give the plus sign. The next digit is 1. Okay. So how many digits after 1? Only one digit is there, that is 5. So we'll give the 10 on 1. That is, the number is 10. So place value is of this 1 is 10, and again give the plus sign. The last digit is 5. The place value of 5 is 5 only. Okay. So I hope this place value, this expanded form of the given number is clear to you people. उसके आगे जितने नंबर्स है उतने जीरोस देने, उसका प्लेस जितना है उतने ही डिजिट्स उसमें आने चाहिए. If the place value is lakh place, then that expanded form should be in a 6 digit only. अगर वो नंबर 10 प्लेस पे है तो उसमें 2 डिजिट आने बहुत कंपलसरी है. ओके, तो ये हमेशा याद में रखना कि if your number is on the 10 lakh place, so that digit should be in that number. Okay, उतने डिजिट वो प्लेस वैल्यू में आने चाहिए. करेक्ट. नाउ our next question. Write the place name of and place value. Write the place name and the place value of 8 digit in the following numbers. यहाँ number is 35,705. अभी ये जो हम लोग ने पहले वाला क्वेश्चन किया इज सेम. ओके, 35,705. So the first row is what? First line is what? Digit. So 35705. So like this we will write the digits. Then the next line is what? Place. Next row is what? Place. So we are writing the place. The 5 is on the unit place. 0 is on the 10 place. 7 is on the 100 place. 5 is on the 1000 place. And 3 is on the 10,000 place. Okay. Now we are going to write the place value. So our third row is what? Place value. What is the place value of this 5? 5 is on the unit place. So its place value is same as 5 only. Then the next number is what? 0. 0 is on the 10th place. मैंने कहा कि 0 पे आप जितना भी 0 दे दो, the value is same, 0 only. So what we'll write? Value of place value of 0 is 0 only. Okay, अगर वो 10 place पे भी है, then also its place value is 0 only. Okay. Then next number 7. 7 is on 100 place. So how many zeros will write after 7? 2 zeros. Okay, क्योंकि उसके बाद 2 आता है ना. So the place value of 7 is 700. Then place value of 5, it is on the 1000 place. So the place value of 5 is 5000. And the last one 3. 3 is on the 10,000 place. So the place value of 3 is 30,000. Okay. Okay. Now the next one. Next is what? 6-digit number. Again, our number is 7,82,899. 7,82,899. Again, we'll write the digits 7, 8, 2, 8, 9, 9. Then place. We are writing the place now. First 9 from the right hand side. That is having the unit place. Then next 9, it is having the 10 place. Then 8 having the 100 place. Then 2 is having the 1000 place. Then 8 having the 10,000 place. And the last digit 7 is having the lakh place. Again, place value of these numbers. 9 is on unit place, so place value is 9 only. Then 9 is on 10 place, so its place value is 90. Because उसके बाद में सिर्फ एक ही digit आ रहा है, so we are giving the 10, so its place value is 90. Then 8 is on the 100 place, so its place value is 800. 2 is on the 1000 place, so its place value is 2000. Then 8 is on the 8000 place, it is 10,000 place. 8 is on the 10,000 place, so its place value is 80,000. And 7 is on the lakh place, so its place value is 7 lakh. Okay, 7 lakh. Understood? Now, this third example is you are doing now. I am giving you now only, and you are doing it. Okay. Now here, fourth question. The expanded form of the given number is given. Okay, and we have to write the number. Now what we have to do? अब हमें expanded form दिया है, we have to make the numbers. ओके पहले क्या किया था हम लोग ने, द नंबर्स आर गिवन, we write down the expanded form, and now expanded form is given, we have to write the number. So first is 60,000. 60,000 कितने कितने नंबर है वहां पे 5. How many digits in 60,000? 5. So our answer should be in a 5 digit number only. पहला नंबर जो रहेगा उतना ही हम लोग का आंसर आना चाहिए. याद रखना ये बेसिक थिंग है. If 60,000 is here, then our answer should be 5 digit number only. ठीक है. Now 60,000 means we'll write 6. Our answer should be in a 6 digit number, so we'll write 6. Then 4,000. 4 is on the 1,000 place, so we'll write 4 on the 1,000 place. Then 600, so we'll write the 6 क्योंकि 1,000 के बाद वाला place है 100. Okay, so we'll write 6. Then 70. Then after 600 means after 6 we are writing 7. Okay, and the last digit is 9, so we'll write as 9 only because unit place पे वही है. ठीक है. So our answer is 64,679. Correct? Now we'll solve the third example. I hope everyone is able to see. Third example. 20 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 7. Now the first number is having 6 zeros and one number, that is 2. It is a 7 digit number. 20 lakhs से क्या है 7 digit number. So answer should be in a 7 digit only. ये पहला नंबर जो है आगे वाला नंबर जो है वो 7 digit का है, तो हमारा आंसर भी क्या आना चाहिए 7 digit number ही आना चाहिए. So 20 lakhs, so we'll write on 10 lakh place 2. Then 3 lakhs are there, so on lakh place we are writing 3. Then 60,000, then on the 10,000 place we are writing 6. Then 9,000, on 1,000 place we are writing 9. Then 500 is there, on 100 place we are writing 5. Then 10 is there, then on 10 place we are writing 1. And the last unit place we are writing 7. We are writing 7. Correct? So here we finish the problem set 6 also. Correct, my dear students? Here we finish the problem set 6. Now let me tell you one thing. Okay, we have seen the 7 digit number. हम लोग ने 7 digit number देखा. Okay, that is having the 6 zeros. After 7 digit number there is a 8 digit number. Okay, 7 digit के बाद 8 digit तो आने वाला है. So 8 digit number is having the 7 zeros. 8 digit number is having the 7 zeros and its place is crore. Its place is crore. ठीक है. जैसे 10 लाख के बाद आता है करोड़. It is 8 digit number and having 7 zeros in it. After करोड़ 10 करोड़. After करोड़ उसके बाद वाला प्लेस क्या है 10 करोड़. It is having the 9 digit. It is having the 9 digit and the number of zeros कितना आएगा 8. 9 digit number है 10 करोड़ तो उसमें zeros होगा 8. Correct? Then after 10 crore there is a abja. After 10 crore there is a abja place. Okay, and it is 10 digit number. It is 10 digit number and the number of zeros now 9. 10 digit number में zeros कितने आएंगे 9. Okay, so unit place no zeros. Tens 1 0. 100 2 zeros. 1,000 3 zeros. 10,000 4 zeros, lakh 5 zeros, 10 lakh 6 zeros. यहां तक हम लोग ने देखा 7 डिजिट तक. 8 डिजिट 7 zeros, 8 डिजिट प्लेसेस करोड़. 9 डिजिट के बाद क्या आएगा 10 करोड़ एंड द नंबर ऑफ zeros is 8 and the last one is abja, 10 digit number abja and the zero place zero number of zeros is 9. Okay, यहाँ तक हो गया. ये सबको समझ में आया. And here we finish our lesson number 2, that is number work. We finish our lesson number 2, number work. I hope numerals, Roman numerals, lesson number 1 is clear to you. This number work, this is also clear to you. In number work we learn 5 digit number, how to read and write, okay, in words and in numbers, in figures. Then the 6 digit number, how to write in a words and in figures, and 7 digit number, how to write in a words and figures. And the expanded form of 5, 6 and 7 digit number, expanded form भी हम लोग ने देखा. How to make expanded form from the given number, ये भी देखा. And how to make a number from the given expanded form. Okay, one second. तो ठीक है, तो ये सारे हम चीजें हम लोग ने आज देखी. And here we finish the lesson number 2 also. On the next lecture, next Tuesday and Wednesday, we are going to start the third lesson, that is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. I hope in the first standard you finish the addition. In the first standard you finish the addition and subtraction. सबको आप लोग फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड से आ रहे हो. ओके